Slide 1. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Slide 2. Risks and benefits of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, as one of the most revolutionary technologies of the century, has brought significant changes in various fields such as economy, health, security, and industry. However, alongside these advancements, it has also introduced risks that require management to prevent negative consequences for societies and individuals. Due to its abilities in processing massive data, autonomous decision-making, and learning from past experiences, AI holds the potential to generate both benefits and new threats. Next, as previously outlined in the earlier section regarding AI's advantages, I will briefly present 5 current benefits in bullet points. Slide 3. 1. Boosting productivity and process automation. AI can automate labor-intensive and repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more creative duties. In agriculture, AI-equipped drones identify dry or pest-infested areas, assisting farmers in better resource management. Moreover, chain restaurants like McDonald's currently utilize intelligent systems to expedite food orders. 2. Advancement in medical diagnosis and treatment. AI can perform diagnostic procedures faster and more accurately, facilitating patient treatment and care. In genetic testing, companies like 23andMe use AI to identify genes related to specific diseases. Additionally, robotic systems like the Da Vinci surgical system perform complex surgeries with high precision. 3. Enhancing customer experience with personalized services. AI has the ability to understand customer needs and recommend better products or services. In online shopping, stores like Zara leverage intelligent systems to suggest clothing that matches customers' tastes. Likewise, apps like Amazon Alexa provide users with a personalized experience. Slide 4. 4. Big data management and analysis. Rapid and accurate data analysis aids in better decision-making for businesses. In the stock market, platforms like Bloomberg utilize AI to analyze trends and recommend investments, saving time and increasing efficiency. 5. Reducing errors and enhancing precision. AI algorithms provide a level of accuracy that minimizes human errors. In the aviation industry, AI systems predict maintenance needs to prevent potential aircraft failures. Similarly, urban traffic management systems use AI to improve traffic flow. Conclusion. The advancement of AI technologies has not only boosted productivity but also improved the quality of life. The above examples illustrate just a fraction of the benefits and applications of this technology in the real world. Slide 5. Introduction. In the following, I will briefly present my micro-article on AI risks, referencing the book Artificial Intelligence by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig. In 2020, IBM developed an AI-based malware called Deepfake, capable of hiding and executing targeted cyber attacks. In 2024, a complex cyber attack through AI disrupted supply chains in multiple countries, leading to widespread economic impacts. These examples highlight the potential power and risks of AI in the real world. This article aims to examine AI risks from various perspectives and provide strategies for managing them. Slide 6. Categorization of risks. AI risks are categorized based on their impact severity and affected domains. This categorization ranges from critical risks, which have profound and widespread impacts on societies, to negligible risks, which usually create minor, localized issues. This categorization aids in better understanding and prioritizing risk management. In 2018, an Uber self-driving car in Arizona fatally struck a pedestrian due to a failure in threat recognition. This incident underscores the importance of categorizing risks and prioritizing safety applications.
Slide 7. Critical risks. A. Autonomous weapons. These weapons can make decisions without human intervention. The main concern is that they may make critical errors in sensitive situations. Besides wrong decisions, autonomous weapons can reduce human accountability in wars, potentially undermining international laws and increasing military tensions between nations. In 2021, the United Nations, UN, reported Libya's use of autonomous drones for military attacks without human oversight, sparking global controversy. In 2023, reports surfaced of limited use of fully autonomous military drones by some countries in conflicts. On a positive note, companies like Boston Dynamics continue focusing on developing robots designed for rescue operations. It is suggested to establish international conventions to limit the development and use of autonomous weapons. B. Surveillance and privacy violations. AI's extensive surveillance capabilities can lead to privacy violations. This may result in social control and reduced individual freedoms. In 2019, reports revealed China's use of facial recognition systems to monitor Uyghur Muslims, limiting their freedoms. In 2024, a study showed advanced facial recognition technology being used in some countries to monitor protests and control populations. On a positive side, companies like Palantir work on data analysis for public safety, and AI-based systems assist in search and rescue operations during emergencies. Enacting precise privacy laws and utilizing encryption technologies can be valuable solutions. Slide 8. Major risks. A. Biased decisions. AI algorithms may make unfair decisions due to biased data, leading to discrimination in hiring, credit evaluations, or access to services. In 2018, a trial showed Amazon's facial recognition software incorrectly identifying U.S. Congress members as criminals. In 2023, facial recognition algorithms in some recruitment applications produced biased results, leading to discrimination. IBM is working to make its algorithms more transparent and fair, and Google has introduced tools for analyzing unbiased data. It is suggested to use diverse data, clarify algorithm performance, and adopt frameworks for improving training datasets. B. Impact on employment. Replacing human labor with AI could lead to widespread unemployment, exacerbating economic disparities. A recent report highlighted concerns over AI replacing jobs in the transportation sector, such as self-driving trucks. In 2020, Foxconn, the main producer of Apple products, announced significant automation of its production lines, sharply reducing human labor. On a positive note, Tesla employs AI to create new jobs in technology sectors. Suggested strategies include teaching new skills, predicting job market shifts, and preparing employees for future roles. Slide 9. Moderate risks. A. Cybersecurity. AI can be used to enhance cybersecurity and execute cyber attacks, requiring careful management and balance. Last year, a deepfake technology-based attack caused changes in financial decisions with severe consequences. In 2020, a financial fraud using a deepfake of a British CEO's voice resulted in a $243,000 theft. Darktrace uses AI to detect cyber threats. Suggested actions include developing intelligent security systems and educating users about cybersecurity risks. B. Safety applications. AI in safety systems, like autonomous vehicles, can reduce risks but also introduce new dangers in case of malfunctions. In a recent incident, a self-driving car software flaw led to a crash, reigniting discussions about safety standards. In 2018, an Uber self-driving car in Arizona killed a pedestrian due to a failure in road threat detection. Broader testing, transparency in presenting results, and stringent standards are essential for AI safety. Slide 10. Minor risks. These errors may inconvenience users but do not have serious impacts. In 2020, Amazon Alexa mistakenly recorded users' commands and sent them to Amazon servers, raising privacy concerns. Negligible risks. These issues are usually resolved quickly. In 2019, Google Maps users reported incorrect routes, causing them to get lost. Suggested improvements include continuous updates, algorithm enhancements, and user feedback integration. AI holds immense potential for improving human lives, but its risks cannot be ignored. Managing these risks requires collaboration among governments, companies, and communities. By enacting strict laws, developing ethical standards, and educating the public, society can benefit from AI while mitigating its risks. The future of AI depends on how we manage this technology, combining innovation, legal oversight, and education for responsible use. Slide 11. Thank you very much for your time. I hope I have been able to make a small contribution to AI education.